Truffle Camp is an innovative experience that brings customers behind the counter of chocolate tea and into a part of the business customers wouldn't normally get to see, the art of making chocolate. This experience invites guests to step into Cindy Walker's world as they craft a dozen artisan truffles, featuring different ingredients from around Ontario's southwest and a couple special international ingredients. Cindy weaves the story of her love for chocolate into every step, guiding participants along the way and allowing them to get creative and hands-on. Unlike your typical cooking class, Truffle Camp is innovative in that Cindy is there for support and guidance, but is not formally teaching step by step. She puts trust in her guests, and with the proper support and the right tools, participants are able to self-direct their experience. Participants are able to choose which truffle flavors they want to make and follow direction in a manner that still allows for creativity. Truffle Camp also helps to bring awareness around local products that are used. Everyone has a small sample that they get to touch and feel and taste, giving participants an appreciation of what local means. Local products, such as lavender from Bonnie Heath. Everyone knows what lavender smells like, but once it's crushed between your fingers, the explosion of fragrance that erupts surprises people. Beer from Upper Thames Brewing. Some people have not tried a craft beer, let alone a stout or porter. Through a tasting experience, participants learn to recognize the undertones and notes. There are also the tips and tricks taught, such as scraping a vanilla bean and not throwing the pod into the garbage or compost, but rather learning to make your own vanilla extract. This experience is different for the most part because of Cindy's personality. Spending time with Cindy and hearing her story of how she started chocolate tea is something people won't get anywhere else. Truffle Camp, an Innovative Experience of the Year finalist.